Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to solve hard levels in Candy Crush Saga. Each level has specific goals. Take a moment to understand what you need to achieve before making any moves. Assess the board and plan your move strategically. Look for potential matches and special candy combinations. Focus on completing the primary objectives of the level first, whether it's clearing jelly, reaching a target score, or bringing down ingredients. Strip candies, wrap candies, and color bombs are powerful tools. Learn how to create and use them effectively. Combining special candies can create powerful effects, like a strip candy plus wrap candy combo can clear a large area of the board. Boosters like stripped and wrapped candy combo, color bomb, and lollipop hammer can help in tough situations. Save them for when they can make the most impact. Identify and prioritize clearing blockers such as chocolate and marmalade as they can impede your progress. Understand the effects of each special candy and use them strategically to achieve your goals faster. Each move counts, especially in levels with move limits. Make sure each move contributes to achieving the level's objectives. Look for moves that create cascading effects. Cascades can help you clear multiple obstacles and achieve more matches. Some levels have patterns or specific challenges. Study the board layout to identify opportunities for creating special candies and making strategic moves. Don't rush through moves. Stay calm and think through each move carefully, especially in challenging levels. Some levels introduce new mechanics or obstacles. Understand how they work to plan your strategy accordingly. If certain areas of the board are difficult to clear, save your moves and special candies for those areas. And that's how to solve hard levels in Candy Crush Saga. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.